are behind the waterfall. Again, I want to take a rest on this rock. Whoa. Okay, let's see ducks. There's nothing to see here. Oh, no, there is something. Look, they're like, let's see what it's called. Let's listen attentively what he's saying.
So as you can see, I have many nests in front of me. So these nests are from the birds you can find in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. So I have this nest here, which belongs to the common eider. As you can see, its nest is made with eider down. So it is the soft feather you see all around the eggs. It keeps the eggs warm in the wild. I have this nest here, which is made with animals' fur and little branches. It belongs to the little bird you can see right here on my panel, which is a dark-eyed jonquil. And both the female and the male will build the nest together. And finally, I have this nest here, which is very odd because it is made with pebbles. So actually, it is from the killdeer that you can see on my picture here. And as you can see, the eggs are spotted. It serves as a camouflage in the wild. And finally, I have this nest here. Of course, it is not the bird that built this nest. Actually, in the Biodome, sometimes they will lay their eggs on cliffs. And it is the case for the little puffin here. So the little puffin in the wild, they will dig some hole to lay their egg. And actually, since they have less space in the Biodome to dig, we'll put these kind of boxes in the Gulf of St. Lawrence and in the subpolar regions where the puffins are. And so for the little boxes, it is for the razorbill and the black guillemot here. So, and well, that's already the end of my presentation. So thank you for your attention. Don't hesitate if you have any questions for me.
Now we all listen attentively to what he said about the birds and the eggs and where they lay. And now we're gonna go to another section. Enter the Laurentian maple forest. Those are, let's see. A wood duck. Look. Okay, this is like a resting area. Is the Gulf of St. Laurent. This is where we can see some fishes. Now let's see this. These are coral reefs and baby stingrays. There's starfish. There's shells. Wow. Now let's see the jellyfish. The moon jellyfish. Those are called moon jellyfish. You can see all of the penguins and the puffins and the stuff. As you can see here, feel it and there's handprints. Whoa, it's cold and it's slippery. Ah, yes, it feels so good. I like it. Look at them. They're big king penguins, emperor penguins, and everyone. There's puffins. I don't think so. Oh, that's a rock hopper penguin. Oh, you can see it here now. Look, he's under the water. Let's see on the other side. This is the place where you can see the puffins and the Gentoo penguin, common moor, and yeah. Look, there's more penguins. These are the king penguins, the bigger ones. Okay, we're done for today. We had a lot of fun seeing these amazing animals. Now we're gonna eat. We're gonna take some snacks and because we're at the cafeteria. So now we're done. I hope you like, share, subscribe. I like to subscribe, please. Bye.